basically you can use print to A, bring color close to your face, and to mix your neutrals and pull an outfit together. Do you see how this print blouse does so many different things? Because I'm wearing black leather pants, tan boots, and the print brings all of that together with the pops of color that suit my complexion, so making this outfit super fun, bringing color to my face, taking off years, and mixing my neutrals. So girlfriend, I'm sure that you still have lots of questions about color and print, and if you're finding yourself in anxiety, take a deep breath, don't worry, you cannot get it wrong. It's not the end of the world. It's just clothing, it's just color, it's just print. But because it is a big topic and a lot more than I could put in one video, I'm going to be doing a live talking about color and how to find your perfect colors. So join me, you can see the link here, or you can go to this link below. It's also in the description where you can join me live. This is where I really do a deep dive. You get to ask your questions, I get to answer them in real time, and we get to shop the collection if you're interested. But it's a no pressure zone. So I hope you're going to join me. I'll see you then.